Now, in this video, our discussion will be at next level of security issues, so stay tuned with us to get more knowledge. As we know that once our data is stored in a blockchain that never gets corrupted, as that block's hash code and data is also stored in the next block. So, it is so hard to change it by any malicious attacker without disturbing a blockchain. Let me tell you this, that cryptocurrencies are protected by the 256-bit SHA hash functions, the same level of security that banks, the military, and virtual private networks, VPNs, use to encrypt their systems. Still, there are some account risks that there is a private key. If that is stolen, then we have got hacked. Because cryptocurrency is not strictly controlled, there is no way to recover it if a private key is stolen. So, keeping the private key private should be the first priority. Cryptocurrencies are highly susceptible to cyber attacks, and hackers have been known to steal large sums of money from users. If you're investing in cryptocurrency, then you may be at risk for some of the newer hacking methods going around. Several high-profile cyber attacks on cryptocurrency blockchains have occurred over the years. Before some months ago, in a brazen attack on popular video game Axie Infinity, hackers swiped $625 million in cryptocurrency, the game company's executives said Tuesday, marking one of the largest crypto thefts to date amid rising rates of such crime. This was published by the Washington Post. Making it such a hilarious act. Now you better think about this. Common ways observed when targeting cryptocurrency over dispatch include credential harvesting, cryptocurrency transfer supplication like BEC, and the use of introductory malware thieves that target cryptocurrency credentials. As we have seen, cybercriminals increasingly targeting cryptocurrency. There are so many such methods they use, like 51% attack, typo squatting, routing attack, Sybil attack, and phishing. We will see every method with explanation in the next video, but before that, let me clear some points. As cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, come more mainstream, cybercriminals are increasingly turning to them as new way of doing frauds. Experimenters have observed multiple objects demonstrated by cybercriminals relating to digital tokens and finance similar as traditional fraud, using business email compromise, BEC, to target individualities, as well as exertion targeting decentralized finance, DeFi, organizations that smooth cryptocurrency storage and deals for possible follow-on exertion. So, these are some points to worry if you're planning to invest in cryptocurrencies. In the next video, we will see the methods that hackers use to fraud people. By this, we come to an end of this video. So thank you for watching, and as always, stay healthy.